Welcome to Tots, an edge-first AI-based PWA, which remote classes can access from anywhere to help children develop their vocabulary in both their native language as well as English. To use the app, first install the PWA. Note that this won't work on an iPhone. And open the app from your local device or browser. Here, I'm switching off the Wi-Fi so that we can show you that it works in offline mode. This is a completely edge-based solution using IndexedDB. As you see, there are multiple profiles for a particular class, and the practice words are personalized to each student depending on the feedback which is stored in the DB previously. Here, I am going to choose a student. There's a gamification option with a leaderboard showing the top 3 students in the class depending upon the words they have practiced. There are also collectibles, which are basically rewards that a student will get. And word of the day is another feature which we will be coming up with soon. Okay, so let's start practice. A word is introduced according to a student's grade level in both English and Telugu. There is an option to play the audio so that they understand the right pronunciation, as well as an image that is provided so that the student can check and draw correctly. Let's look at an example of the audio pronunciation.
Calculator.
And in Telugu,
Calculator.
now, the student also has an option to submit his own pronunciation so that that can be checked with an AI model in the background. Calculator. There is also an option to record the Telugu audio, which is coming soon and is going to be a feature in our app in the future. Now let's submit the audio recording and look at the results. If the student has done a good job and pronounced correctly, they get a great job. And if not, there is a mascot that tells the student to try again. Next, the student can move on to practice the drawing of the word. For example, we have to draw a calculator. So the student would go on to draw a calculator. And the student has the option to skip the drawing if they do not want to draw this or attempt this question. And they have the option to submit their drawing. There are also options to choose multiple colors if they want to draw, and clear the drawing if they want to redraw. Let's submit. Now, if the student has drawn correctly, it shows that they've done a great job, and it also provides 2 sentences, one in English and one in Telugu, to show the usage of such a word in a sentence. Now, the student has an option to draw again if they want, and if not, they can move on to the next word. And to keep this edge-friendly and scalable, from the entire repository of 1000 words which we load, we will load batches of 100, and the classroom will have a chance to practice on these 100 words in a completely offline format. The teacher will also have an option to manually update the word set, and this will be synced to the cloud. Thank you.